In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use debug logs in Salesforce. Debug logs are an invaluable tool for diagnosing and understanding the behavior of your Salesforce applications, making them crucial for developers and admins alike. To get started, let's navigate to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, look for the Quick Settings menu. This can typically be found in the upper right section of the interface. Clicking on it will open up a list of options to customize your environment. Following this, you'll want to select Open Advanced Setup. This option allows you access to more in-depth settings necessary for your Salesforce configuration. Now, in the Advanced Setup menu, you need to type Debug Logs into the search bar. This will take you directly to the section dedicated to logs within Salesforce. Next, click on Debug Logs. Here, you'll see any existing logs and have the option to start a new one. To create a new log, look for and click on the New button. It's important to focus on the Traced Entity Type section. This part defines the type of entity you wish to trace, such as a user, a specific Apex class, or trigger. Choose a traced entity type that matches your logging needs. Once you've selected the entity type, you'll need to type in a valid traced entity name. This helps Salesforce identify precisely what you're interested in tracking within your logs. Setting proper start and expiration dates for your logs is also important, as it allows you to control the time frame of the data you're recording. Ensure these fields are set according to the span you wish to monitor. Now, direct your attention to the debug level. Selecting the appropriate debug level is crucial because it dictates the amount of information captured. There's a variety of levels, ranging from finer, which provides the most detail but can be overwhelming, to higher level, less granular options. Enter the debug level code, which aligns with your current logging requirements. In the next step, you'll need to type in your debug level code and click on the New Debug Level button. Give it a few moments to load as the system processes this new entry. Now let's discuss the New Debug Level area. This section is where you establish the specifics of what your debug log will capture. Understand that the more complex the level, the more details you'll receive. Finally, once you've set up everything properly, click Save to implement your changes. Once saved, be sure to click Save again on the previous settings window to ensure everything is properly stored. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up and using debug logs in Salesforce. Debug logs can help you pinpoint issues, optimize performance, and deepen your understanding of system operations, making them an indispensable tool in your Salesforce toolkit. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope this guide has been helpful.